Hey guys, I'm gonna talk about why you guys should not put your lashes on the back of your hand like this while lashing. So what is the best surface area to apply the strips to? It's actually going to be on palettes, okay? You don't need to use the fancy expensive ones. There are some that you can just get if you're a beginner and you're just starting out. You can get some at Home Depot or Lowe's, you know, one of those hardware stores. You can get one of those palettes. But anyway, the point is you should have a hard surface, because if you're doing the rolling technique, or like the technique where you're removing like lashes and just trying to roll them on the strip, what's gonna happen is that they're not gonna be cooperating with you necessarily, because you don't have the right straight surface. It's curved, and so what's going to happen is that they will roll and the fan is going to fall apart. I know that some lash artists have mastered that particular technique, but it's definitely for beginners. If you don't know which way to go, and you have seen this, I have seen lash artists that do make this work, and I mean, great for them. But if you're a beginner, this is going to be so much easier, because the flat surface is going to be so much easier to make a fan than doing it like this. And now the other thing you have to think about is this is a sticky strip, right? Like where the lashes are stuck, fixated. So what's going to happen is the oil from your hands eventually, like it does get on the strip and makes the strip much less effective, and the stickiness effect of it will not be as good, and so you're going to lose the stickiness of the tape, and it's not going to be as effective. And if you need the stickiness of the strip, if you're working on rolling method, it's going to be hard. So that's one of the reasons that you shouldn't use the hand technique. And then the other thing is, it doesn't look as professional. So especially, like, you know, with all the COVID in the last year and a half, like it is important to show up as professional as possible for your clients. And you know, they're definitely, especially if you're trying to get your clients to pay you premium prices for premium services, I think that, you know, your space should reflect that, and the products that you're using should reflect that as well. Just this, to me, doesn't really look professional. I know that it's like, some of you guys might not agree, but that's okay. If it works for you, that's great. But I just think that working on a specialized palette just definitely looks more professional, looks cleaner. It doesn't look like you're trying to kind of like hurry, because you want the client to feel like taken care of. You want them to feel like you're trying your best, and you're using the best products. You're not taking any shortcuts. Like that, I think, is the key thing here, is that you don't want the client to feel like you're taking shortcuts when it comes to their lashes. You want them to feel that the time that they have with you is your attention, and you're giving them 100% of your attention, and you're using the best products, and you're listening to them, and you're basically just ensuring that their lashes are like amazing, and that they come out absolutely fantastic. So that is the reason that I think that it's better to not use your hand to place the strip of lashes to make fans. So I'm going to show you guys now what I mean by why it's difficult to do that. So as you guys can see, I'm putting the lashes on the sticky strip, and it's very difficult to fan because it is not a straight surface. It moves, and so the fan moves as well. So I know that some lash artists have mastered this, like I said, but it's definitely not the best way for beginners, because as you can see, it's very difficult. The fans move, the lashes move, and you have to start all over again. So this is why I think that using a palette makes so much more sense, because even though it's still hard to make fans for beginners, at the very least, when you place the fan on the sticky strip, it doesn't move, and so it makes it easier to make those micro movements. So hopefully you guys got some value out of this video. Like I said, I'm not discouraging anyone from necessarily using the back of your hand to lash, because some lash artists say that it's nice because it's close. You can get closer to the client's head. However, because of the disadvantages that I just showed you guys, hopefully, I mean, you guys can decide for yourself if you find it helpful or not, or if you want to work on a straight surface. So thank you guys so much for watching once again, and if you guys haven't already subscribed, be sure to do so. Subscribe to our channel. We come out with 1 to 2 videos a week for you guys to help you with your lash artist journey. Thank you.